Hello, creators and aspiring YouTubers. Welcome to Quick and Easy Learnings. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting thumbnails that grab attention, boost clicks, and make your videos irresistible to viewer. So, here's the question. How can you create thumbnails that stand out and draw viewer in? But before we reveal the answer, let's set the stage. Imagine your thumbnail as the cover of a book. It's what people see before deciding whether to click. It's your first impression. And it matters. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to making your thumbnails pop and attracting a click-hungry audience. Now, let's dive into the essential elements of an attention-grabbing thumbnail. Element number 1, high-quality images. First, use high-quality images that are relevant to your video's content. Crisp, clear visuals are key to piquing curiosity. Element number 2, colors and contrast. Next, let's talk about colors and contrast. Bold, vibrant colors stand out, and contrast helps your subject pop from the background. But remember, don't overdo it. Keep it visually appealing, not overwhelming. Element number 3, text and typography. Now, the power of text and typography. Your title is essential, but sometimes a few well-chosen words on the thumbnail can be the difference between a click and a pass. Use legible fonts and consider the size, style, and placement of your text carefully. Element number 4, emotion and curiosity. Emotion and curiosity. These are your secret weapons. Express emotions relevant to your content and leave viewer curious about what's inside. Make your audience feel something and wonder what your video holds. Now, let's put it all together. By combining high-quality visuals, striking colors, effective text, and emotions that intrigue, you craft thumbnails that practically beg to be clicked. So, how can you create thumbnails that stand out and draw viewer in? It's all about mastering these elements. High-quality visuals, captivating colors, legible text, and evoking emotions. A thumbnail is your first step to a captivating video journey. As we wrap up, remember that your thumbnail is your video's ambassador. Invest time and creativity into it, and watch your click-through rates soar. If you found these tips on creating mind-blowing thumbnails inspiring, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Don't forget to subscribe to Quick and Easy Learnings for more game-changing content. Until next time, may your thumbnails be irresistible and your YouTube journey extraordinary.